How's everybody doing today? Well, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, give us a like and share the videos around. So today Kristen is here making some boxes. What kind of boxes are you making today?
Rabbit nesting boxes.
Why are you making rabbit nesting boxes?
Because we have a lot of baby bunnies that are to arrive.
Well, that's exciting. So what are we going to do here?
We've got a bunch of scrap plywood and we're just going to make it into some nesting boxes.
Awesome. So I guess we'll get into it. How big are they going to be?
Okay, now I have to think about the measurements I just took. I think they're 21 inches long by about 12 wide and 14 tall.
Cool. So I guess we'll show everybody how to make rabbit nesting boxes and then show them where we're going to put them after we're done. Awesome. Well, I'll let Kristen start measuring everything up, and we've got some power tools. We're going to cut things up and we'll show you as we go along what we're going to do. Okay, have at her. I brought you a pencil.
Thanks.
There you go.
Helpful.
It's very helpful. That's all I could find. It was on the floor.
That works. I think we'll do this one because it pretty much goes evenly into what we need first.
And all this wood we got here is free from last year as well. We're still using up remnants of what we had. Free is always good on the homestead. Ooh.
It was 14 the other way, so 12.
You guys might have noticed a big pile of wood here. Our neighbor brought us wood yesterday. He's an arborist. I think I mentioned that a few times, but put it all here. Some nice yellow birch and some other nice hardwoods. And we got the splitter here. We've been splitting, filling up the sugar shack. We're on row number 3, which is exciting. And we got chickens in here we need to get out. And actually, we got 2 chickens that keep laying in my evaporator here, which is not cool. We can't have them laying in my evaporator, can we, chickens? That's right. This is not where you lay your eggs. So they've been laying in there, not really impressed with that. But Kristen just got us rolling up door. So once we get our projects done here, all the big ones, we are going to put a sliding door there and fill it in with board and stuff, so it's going to be all contained and chickens can't get in anymore. Have you got the first one built yet? Awesome. Look at her you go. Okay, once we get some of it put together here, we'll show you what it looks like. So we got the front and sides, our front and backs done. We're just working on getting one more piece for that. And we got some sides we got to make as well. Pencil. Right here. Look at that. So are these the sides we're doing now?
Yeah.
And how long are the sides?
21 is what I did the other ones. I might do like 22 for these a little bit longer.
Right.
And then...
So they're 22 long by 12 wide? Is that what we were doing?
14 tall.
14
so they
tall.
have room to get under, and there's a little bit of a
opening
top on them so they can climb up on there too.
Right. We'll show you what it looks like once it's done, so it makes more sense. But we're just working on the sides now.
There are a lot of lines on these ones.
So make sure you measure 14 times and cut once, right, Kristen?
Yeah.
Is that how it works?
Or get sleep before you have to do mathematical things. The middle ones.
Okay, you can grab that line there. We'll... So is it just going to be one cut, or no, we're going to do 2 cuts here, right? Okay.
Take them with her leash.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so it's 21 long, and then 22 long now, and then these are
14 high is what you were doing.
Yeah. So that's what I did here.
Okay, we'll be back after these. All 4 of them cut up now. Now we're going to go into our workbench, which is a hay bale. And Kristen is going to show us how to make them, right?
Yeah.
I'd probably have to help her hold them, I would think.
Yeah, I can't really hold it.
No. So we'll hold them here. So this is kind of what it's going to look like.
On top, and then the front.
Now, if I was a
Sort
rabbit,
of like that.
if I was a rabbit, I would love that house. Good job. Okay, I'm going to set the camera down so we can screw this together
That'd be helpful.
because it's hard to hold the camera while we're doing this. So it might be backlit with the sun there, but we'll see what we can get here. So you hear the ducks in the background and the chickens clucking away and the dog. All right. So I'll come hold this side for you. We're going to put that on the inside or keep it on the outside? Okay.
Make sure it's sort of level-ish on the bottom though, because that's not. It's not going to get together very well. Okay, do the other side first so we can move it if we need to.
Okay. Okay. Now for the back one. Yep. Did I do this side first that I got held there? There we go. Doesn't help that this wood's not exactly in tip-top condition and it's not very square.
And some are the scrap pieces, so they're not going to be perfect, but the
Yep.
rabbits won't care.
Okay. Here's the other side.
As long as you don't have to move them with their babies.
Okay. There you go, one happy box for a happy mama new rabbit. I should do it this way except it's not backlit. Okay, she's just gonna finish that up, and then once we get it finished, we'll take you over and show you where we're gonna be putting it into the rabbit cage. Okay, so off to the barn. I guess we're already in the barn. Off to the other part of the barn.
So we haven't put bedding or anything in yet, but these are our mama pens. And we'll stick it in here with a whole bunch of hay and stuff, and they can make their nest in there.
Awesome.
So babies stay warm.
So are we gonna do, I think, one in each one, right? Was the idea?
Yeah, 4 of them for next week. They're due.
Yeah. Awesome. And this mama over here, we think she was bred, but she's in her little box down there. That's a Rex. So hopefully the one that bred her, he died, unfortunately. So hopefully she caught. Otherwise we don't have any other purebred Rexes, males, to breed with her. So we may have to get another one, or we might have to just breed her with whatever, right?
Yeah, they're all crosses right now. The other Rexes are all bred to the other Californian crosses. So
These are the Rexes here. Okay. Well, there you go. We'll go outside in the sun so you can see us because it's dark in here. There we have it. Fast and easy nesting boxes for the rabbits, for their babies. And hopefully next week we'll have some, and when they come out, we'll show. So I figured since we made the nesting boxes, we may as well show you what it looks like now that we've had babies. So I'll just finish the video off with it. This beautiful little rabbit here, she's very adorable. I think she had about 8 rabbits last week, and they're all in her little fur. So they pull fur to keep them warm, and we'll pull one out here quickly. I'll just turn the camera around so I can see what I'm doing quickly here. All right, so we'll just dig in here. We'll pull one out quickly, show you guys what they look like. Look at this little cutie. Very adorable little baby rabbit. So I'm going to stick them in right away because it's pretty cold today. So I want to keep them nice and warm. There's 8 of those little guys in there. So yeah, maybe we'll do an update on the rabbits in a few weeks when they're bigger and they're all hopping around. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video on making the nesting boxes for your rabbits for when they're breeding and having little baby rabbits. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you out there. Have a great day.